Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let me share with you how I made this delicious air fryer roasted plantain and the palm oil sauce with ugba. Let's get started. Here I have the unripe plantains which I'm going to be using for this. You can also use ripe plantain. I'll go ahead now, wash this and peel them. And we'll be making our palm oil sauce with this. I have my onions, otaze. This one is otaze. Otaze leaf. I've already washed it. Then ugba and palm oil. Then I have pepper and the fish which I'll be adding it to. I'm done peeling the plantains, so I will just give them a cut like this before placing them into the air fryer. I'll set my air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius and then for 15 minutes, roast for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, this is what we have. They are partially roasted, but I need to turn it upside down so that the down part of it can also roast. Fire and let it roast for another 15 minutes. And while that is going on, let's make our palm oil sauce for the bole. Into my dry pot, I'll add in about 1 cup of palm oil. When the oil melts, I'll add in half a teaspoon of salt and plenty sliced onions. Yes, we need, in fact, we are basically making onions and palm oil sauce. So 2 to 3 minutes of frying the onions in the palm oil. I'll then go in with my pounded crayfish and the scotch bonnet peppers. Next, I'll add 1 seasoning cube and a teaspoon of garlic and ginger powder. You can skip that if you don't want it. Next, I'll be adding in some cooked cow skin, that is pomo. But you can use fish. Titus fish is best for this. Mixture of two of them anyway. I'll stir and cover this and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes so that the sauce can enter into the cow skin or meat very well. Add one of the stars of the meal, our oba, opaka as some people call it, but we call it oba in my place. So I'll now add the oba, stir it, and we continue. Oba, I tested it for salt and everything was okay. Even the pepper in it was peppering. So the next thing I'll add now is the leaf, our otazi leaf. This is also one of the stars. In fact, every ingredient I've used there are all stars. So I'll go in with the otazi leaf and our sauce is ready. I'll just add it, stir it and put off the gas. Our palm oil and oba sauce is ready. Hope you have not forgotten the plantain roasting in the air fryer. So our plantain is also well roasted. So let's serve this. At this point, my mouth was watering. How is your own doing? Please help me click on the like button. Thank you. Yeah, treasures, here we have our air fryer roasted plantains and the palm oil sauce. Thank you all for watching. Please, if you enjoyed watching the video, help me click the like button and also share it. Please, even if you did not like it, just support me and click the like button. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.